Got a room tour of 5430 on the Carnival Mardi Gras, which is a Cove Balcony. Got your walkway. Beautiful room. Absolutely love the color scheme that they're doing on the Mardi Gras. Just so neutral and so pretty. We have ours set up as a king size bed with a wonderful TV, just to chill out and relax and watch TV. Then we got 2 sets of closets. First one is the tall man's closet, which has some extra bedding. The other side has some hangers, and you can actually adjust these. See this little tab here? And the cabinets are down. You can actually put them up and lock them if you want anything to be a little bit taller, which is pretty neat. Same with this one, you could do that. So you can make this a tall closet if you want. And also has a full-length mirror. Hi. Then the second set is the cool one. You can make that a short wall. That is a shorter closet, but has your safe and these awesome racks. I'm absolutely loving that they're doing the racks here. You can put shoes or whatnot in these. There's even one down here, which I already have a pair of flip-flops in. And they're all soft clothes. And these are all adjustable too. You can make a shelf or make it a long closet. Then we got the bathroom. These are a little bit different on this class of ship now. Got the toilet there. And a glass shower. So no more shower curtain on this class. Nice size. And of course for us ladies, that bar is important. You'll know what I mean. Get out of the bathroom. And also quickly mention about the thermostat. Each room is their own system. So you could make it like a quick cool off the room, or make whatever temperature you want. It's not connected to any other stateroom. It's your own temperature, so that is good to know. And a little hack, instead of using your stateroom card, you could use any gift card or basically any card just to keep that light on. Just happen to have a Carnival gift card, so we're using that. Then we'll walk past the bed, and we just got our stuff here, so got a nice size couch with awesome whale pictures in the room. Oh, another key factor by the bed, we got a little nightstand here, and of course these lights, a little reading light, and each one on the other side has its own USB also, so that is pretty cool. Got this awesome vanity, good for vlogging. Then we got these. These are either, you could use that as a seat, or if you bring it out, which they're a little bit heavy. Try to bring it out. You can flip it over, and it's another compartment space, or put the lid upside down and make it like a little coffee table. So that's pretty nice if you want room service in the morning. That's a must. Got a nice vanity space. Got 2 USBs here, 3 regular outlets, and 2 more USBs. So that is awesome. Got shelving, a wonderful refrigerator, pretty nice, and there's even some drawers here. There's even a hairdryer. So first ladies, that's awesome. And we got one more here. And to finish up the cabin tour, we got the balcony. Just push the door. Door's a little bit heavier on the cove. And there we go. Try not to make it too loud. But yeah, here's the cove. It is a little bit smaller. But you know what? This view makes it all worth it. Yeah, we're obviously at sea since I couldn't record when we first got on the ship. So this is pretty amazing, guys. We've got a little table here. It is a little tight with the table and everything, but this is worth it. So guys, if you're considering the Cove Balcony in the Mardi Gras, this is it. It's pretty awesome. Hope you like the room tour, guys. And this is $54.30 on the Carnival Mardi Gras.